Alright, so we're off for a quick weekend adventure. You guys wanted some Hardy Grand Am content? Well, you're gonna get it. So we're gonna go visit a buddy, see what he's up to and what's new, and hopefully have some good fun with this thing, but not too much fun. And it looks like we're warmed up. Got our lights like usual. Let's not mind those because Grand Am things. Let's roll. Oh, that's fantastic. So one good thing, one bad thing real quick. So I put the safety switch down there at the bottom of my clutch. So I feel much better. Clutch still feels fantastic. And the bad is my exhaust leak is terrible. So I'll probably order the gaskets and just kind of knock that out with a boost. Oh yeah, it feels, that's good. Got about 2 hours ahead of me, so I'm gonna get to that. Apparently I'm trashed. I'm just gonna go ahead and get in here.
Good.
Oh god.
Going in there.
Oh.
Ah, screw it. It's midday. Pretty good. Damn, I ain't that much. So that's the bright side.
Yeah.
Which is good during daytime because you can kind of see during daytime. But like I said,
Those times you have to appreciate a sight. Just look at it. a problem.